Good morning students, welcome back to SR tutorial. Okay, so today I am going to show you some of the very important transactions, okay, which are very necessary, okay, for accounting purposes. Okay, so these are the 5 transactions. Okay, you just see here, journalize the following transactions. Okay, in the books of, you have to mention the name of the party, okay, in whose book, okay, for the business the transactions are entered in the journal, okay, of that business. So in the books of, the name of the party you have to mention for the year ended, okay, 31st 12, for which year the book has been uh, prepared, okay, that year should be mentioned, and then journal entries. Okay, so it is February, month of February, furniture has been purchased. Okay, so here the year ends on 31st 12 and the year begins in January. Okay, so the year starts from January to December. So in the month of February there has been purchase of furniture for rupees 10,000. So furniture, it is an asset, okay, when it comes into the business it increases, okay, and we know when asset increases it should be debited. So furniture account is debited, and at the same time cash goes out of the business. So cash is an asset, when it goes out it decreases, so it should be credited. So two cash account, asset, both are assets, being furniture purchased, okay, 10,000, 10,000. And since in cash word is not in on credit is not mentioned, or name of the party from which furniture has been purchased is not mentioned, so it has been considered as cash transaction. Okay, so two cash account. Then in the month of February, okay, 15th, you see furniture purchased on credit rupees 10,000. Then in the month of February, the furniture has been purchased on credit. So furniture account, okay, it is an asset, okay, when it comes into the business it increases, so it should be debited. And since it has been purchased on credit, so at the same time liability position of the business also goes up, okay. So two creditors account, because we know when liability increases it should be credited, so it's a liability, so two creditors account, 10,000, 10,000, being furniture purchased on credit. Then you see on March, in March, okay, March 30, sold goods in cash rupees 5,000. So here cash comes into the business by selling of goods, okay, in which the business is dealing in. Okay, the word cash has been mentioned clearly in the transaction. Okay, so this transaction is considered as a cash transaction. So cash comes into the business, cash is an asset, it increases, so it should be debited. And there has been, okay, sales, okay, done, okay, so revenue increases. We know when revenue increases it should be credited. So two sales account, revenue 5,000, 5,000, being goods sold in cash. Now you see on 25th April, okay, sold goods on credit to Ram rupees 7,000. So here goods has been sold on credit to Ram. So on the date of sale of goods money has not been received. Okay, so there is a debtor. Okay, it is an asset. So goods has been sold to Ram. So Ram, for the time limit, okay, until and unless the amount of goods sold, okay, has not been received, Ram stands as an asset for the business. So we know Ram, okay, it becomes a debtor at that time. So asset increases, so it should be debited. Okay, and at the same time revenue of the business also increases. So two sales account, revenue, okay, it's a revenue increases, so it should be credited. 7,000, 7,000. Okay, now on 27th May, okay, goods withdrawn from the business for personal use. Okay, so here goods has been withdrawn from the business for personal use, so it is drawings. Okay, we know drawings, when it increases it should be debited. Okay, and at the same time purchases goes down. Okay, goods brought into the business, okay, has been taken out, so purchases gets decreased. So purchase is an expense account. When expense decreases, it should be credited. So to expense account credited 2000, 2000 being goods withdrawn for personal use. Okay, so I hope you've understood these 5 transactions. These are very necessary for accounting purposes, okay, and for your academic courses also. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.